Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're making Rotel Dip. We hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need ground beef, a block of Velveeta cheese, Kraft Mexican style 4 cheese, cream cheese, green onion, yellow onion, heavy whipping cream, Rotel, diced jalapeños, seasonal, Cayenne pepper, black pepper, Goya Seasoning, accent, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. You're going to begin by cutting your Velveeta into cubes. Dice a half of onion, finely chop green onions. Cut a block of cream cheese into cubes. In a skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Add in your ground beef, season your beef to taste with seasonal, Goya, black pepper, accent, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. Once the ground beef is brown, drain any excess grease and begin to add the rest of your ingredients to the pan. Add the cubes of Velveeta cheese, add 8 ounces of cubed cream cheese, add 1 can of Rotel, add diced onions, add a half cup of diced jalapeños, add green onions, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, add 1 cup of Mexican style 4 cheese. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Mix well. And there you have it, Rotel Dip. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Memphis be cooking.